But
catching up.
yeah, watch, okay? Watch how much we can do. Do. This side is fine. See here.
Right.
And then I hold you here.
Right.
To bevel this here.
Okay.
Head up. Yeah. No, you don't do anything. I pull you.
Okay.
Until I feel that. And come over and watch. And over here. When he does it, there's a bulge. You open, you see.
Yeah.
Can you see here? So, but now I pull here and lock here. No, I'll do it. Can you see? When I do it, it opens. When you do it, it locks up. Yeah. The reason is because you're used to using muscles to be strong.
Right.
Your strong muscle means you're doing this.
Yeah.
We want this here. Want to release. Yeah, that's good. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. And drop this behind here. Stay there. Then stretch your fingers. No. Don't go towards me. Stretch longer. No. Don't go towards me. Okay. It's only this longer. Yeah. Okay. No. Don't tense up. Don't tense up. It's this
stretch
here.
like
Yeah.
that.
Stretch against here.
Oh.
To pull this longer.
Okay.
Feel that here? Still a little bit.
Too much.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's turn around to see this here. A little bit more. A little bit more. Turn a little bit more.
Which way?
We didn't finish turning. Okay, too much. Yeah, okay. Hand stretch. Yeah. Don't move, okay? Can you see that?
Yeah.
When you do it yourself, this bulges. That's it, stay there. You have to poke your head high. Feel that?
Yeah.
It's very uncomfortable. That's the platysma. And then add a little bit. Yeah, feel that?
Yeah.
Head up. This way. Okay. Open the chest. Okay. Yeah. That's wide open, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're caught here.
Right.
So when you catch me, see here.
Right.
This is turn here. So all come over here. This is trapped.
Right.
Watch, come closer, not towards the camera. Come closer. The closer you're away. Can you see here? It's trapped. Touch here. Touch here. It's trapped so that you move your shoulder.
Right.
But it's here. Can you see? It's longer.
No.
See this move? It's like that. So eventually this move here.
Right.
So I touch you, don't move, okay? I touch you, you move here. Like that. But relax, okay? Here. Now lock here, only swipe here. Against no move. Against here.
Swipe.
It's like when you cut something, and this is the board, but not. It's like this.
Oh.
But you tensed up.
Yeah.
You cut outward, like that. Not enough. You trapped yourself. This has to open up. Still trapped.
Still trapped.
And open. I like that. And now do that again. But no. But not enough catch. It has to be catch and that way and turn, and this part. Absolutely stationary, not coming towards me. You see that here. That part cannot be seen. Watch. Touch me here. And here. And here. There. See, this is trapped.
Yeah.
This is too much. This is too much. You see this here? You went like this.
Yeah.
There's power, right?
Right.
But if this does not go, you feel. Nothing, right?
Nothing. Disappear.
Yeah. So in the future, even if you grab me like this,
Right.
like,
Oh.
yeah. You see this here? Watch. Right? But you're pushing, right? Go. You're pushing, right? Because I can find him. Watch. Go. You see, I find you there, right? So go do it to me. Yeah, put it here. Can you see? Go. Can you see? You can feel my arm, right? That's called find. When you find me, you can do whatever you want. But can you see? It's not there.
Yeah, it's not there.
Feel it again. Don't move. Don't push. Only do this. Can you see that? There's no move, right?
Right.
And I'm trapped here, trapped here, trapped here. The only movements are here. And do this. Yeah, can you see here? This actually is, I cannot find you. I cannot re-pivot back onto you. But see, found you there. Yeah, this is good. You found me, right? It's fair. Do it again. Here, Jimmy, here. Go behind. Touch here. Touch my fingers. Yeah. Now go. Can you see it's all tense? But can you feel that? You feel that?